Alright, welcome. I probably should actually just go to the mud, but eh, I've done it very many times, so I can do it the more fun way. I am going to, if I can get zoomed out enough, try and get a proximity to one of these planets. Maybe get an orbit around them, get some science on their atmospheres. Maybe come back, maybe not. It's a probe. I made a probe for this exact purpose. I'm not gonna lose anyone. So it's fine. Uh, yeah. Um, let's launch, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do after that. So this has oxidizer, right? Yes, it does. Yeah, just launching. And a very chillaxed recording where I'm gonna take off my jacket because I'm hot. Ugh. Yeah, this is just supposed to get us into space. I have some pretty efficient. I have these rockets and I have another rocket, so I have a lot of fuel to do whatever I need to. I don't need to worry about losing carbons as long as I have enough electrical charge, which I have a lot of solar panels. Also lights, just in case. You never know. I'm just gonna do a gravity turn now. It's fine. Actually, no, I want to go the other way. Whoops. That wasted some fuel. Oh well. There we go. Oh, I forgot to put Septrons. Whoops. Okay, yeah. Whoops, I'm just gonna do this in the recording. That was my idiocy. I had to stop failing. Bullshit. Uh, goes here. Cybertron. This goes here. This goes here as well. Whoops. I want you to go like there. What is this? Oh, that's these? Yeah, okay. Cybertron. These go on the empty one. They go this way. Okay, that should be good. I will also should I? I could. Wouldn't really hurt. Put them on here. There. That way everything just gets detached. I also want to be able to detach this. I don't think I can put Cybertrons on here though. Oh, I can. I like Cybertrons. They're fun. Cybertron, where's that Cybertron that I just put on there? Whoops. Just don't want this to cause any problems. So these, this, there. And then I also want Cybertrons here. And there's a reason for this stage, which I'll show in a minute. I just want to figure out where best to put this. And you know what? That's fine. That's trivial. Um, this one is because if I do have science here and I get a lot, but I'm going to lose a lot from transmitting, I can basically land this thing with the three parachutes here, decouple both of these, and launch the parachutes so that don't need to save this, but I can still save this. Okay, now I'm gonna launch. And this time I'm gonna not screw up. It's probably a best idea. Also, I should probably, whoops. I can launch and I'll do a timer first. Timer, might as well do a timer, stop launch, start. Okay, a little bit late, but whatever, go. Let's try this again. I use as little fuel as possible so I can get as far away from carbon as possible. I want to get a lot of science. Then I'll go to the Mun. I'll probably do it in the same day. I could probably do 2 recordings. Upload them both. Then I can go to Minmus, get some science there, and then finally go to Duna and start my planetary one. Probably not get all the science from the moons because, well, that's boring. But we'll see. We're at 5,000. There we go. Save as much fuel as I can. Let's do the gravity turn now, a little bit early. There we go. I'm gonna have to drop this in a second. I hope the Separatrons work. I really do. After I drop these, I'm going to check my orbit. Yeah! Okay, so basically, if I can just escape when I'm going this way, I hope I'm doing this right. I want to go in and kind of either reach Eve or Moho. Hopefully that'll work. Actually, how's my orbit doing? I should probably go down. Kermapos is 24. Awesome. Source stage only. I do really low volume. Hold on. Put it up to 3. Or is that just my, yeah, well. I want all this at 3. Yes. I want this at 5. Apply. Accept. Oh, I hope that didn't affect the recording. That's a little bit too loud. Okay, let's put it down to 3 as well. I really hope that's not affecting the recording. Oh well. I hope you can still hear me. I haven't tested this, but oh well. How's my orbit doing? Better go a little bit. I'm doing alright. Wish the stage only showed what's being used, but it doesn't. So that's fine. Now I do need to keep electrical because I am a probe, so yeah, that will be helpful, or that will be needed. Go down to here. I'll basically get an escape. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. There we go. Awesome. Everything's working out. I don't know why I put these on, just because I can, I guess. So don't do anything, but oh well. So I want to be able to at least get into a orbit with these engines, so that the other ones can be used primarily to get us into a nice solar orbit. But we'll see how far that gets. Yeah, I want to get about 90 science to get the actual, like, spread out solar panels. That will probably help. Then I might actually go to Duna before I do the moons. So it would actually be easier with a probe. I can just go to Duna. Yeah, actually, do you know what? Yeah, I might do that instead of going to the moons and then get a lot of science. Yeah, I want to get this system up. So yeah, I'm going to do this. Okay. So now we're in space. We have very little fuel. About 100 fuel. I don't know how much this uses. Essentially, I want to get to here, and then I'm going to boost. Add to maneuver. Okay, I want to go. Oh, whoops. No. Put it here. That'll be a 20-second burn. That's it. Basically, just I'm gonna. There, I'll just do that. Just for now. I should probably not turn when I'm doing that. 13 minutes till that burn. Speed up time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. So I didn't get as quite as good because I ran out of fuel, but that's fine. We still have quite a bit. And by quite a bit, I don't mean as much as I thought. Oh well. Can I get there? So basically, I want to get an orbit, get away from Kerbin, and then reduce my orbit to at least Eve. Oh, I could have got that thing from the moon, but oh well. Okay. Now I'll get rid of this. Then I want to just get away from Kerbin a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now we're talking. Let's reduce our speed. Do you want to go that slow? No. Don't want too long of a burn. What if I put this at the periapsis? Or is that the periapsis? Yeah, it is. I actually just guessed, so yay. Oh yeah, Eve is on an elliptic, is on a slightly different thing. So if I go to, if I do this, now I'm gonna set this as target, and then let's see what I can do with this. 2.4, more. 1.3. -1. -1.1. I had an encounter right there. I can deal with that. Adding more time to the burn, but oh well. There. And that's 0.6, 0.7, 1.4, 0.2, 1, 1, So I'm gonna leave it at 1.2. That was the encounter. There we go. And I need to find that. I'm not really wanting to go to Moho necessarily. I just want the science from, or Eve, but I just want the science near it. If that makes any sense. So I'm not actually trying to get an encounter. Really, I'm just trying to get science from near it. If I don't have enough fuel, then oh well. Although I should just go close to the sun. I didn't think of that. You know, hold on. No. No. I maneuver and just drop my speed. How long would this take? Okay, that's a little bit too close. Maybe there? Maybe a little bit farther. It doesn't really matter actually, so I'm gonna go as close as I can. Let's go there. There. That works. Works a little bit better. There should be a lot of science near the sun, or Sol, so. Or Kerbal. I guess it's Kerbal, so never mind. This is really meticulous. Go. I probably won't have enough fuel to get that close, but whatever. It is going down though. I'll use basically all my engines. I don't need to come back. I just put the parachutes just in case. I don't need to. I can untarget this. Unset target. Awesome. The plan is working. I think you put a lot of solar panels here. Yeah, it's because I could. Whoops. I hit the button. This is going to take a little bit longer. But I have a lot more fuel. Is it actually taking... I never checked. Uh-oh. It's not actually taking the fuel from there. So this is useless as fuel. Oh. How do I... In. Basically drop all the fuel into here. I don't need that. So, yeah. We're getting there. If we actually get an encounter with Moa, which yeah, I doubt it. If we did, then I would have stopped, but yeah, I kind of figured you wouldn't. So now that resources tab is accurate for our fuel, so I don't have to actually go back into that view. Still going. If this thing burns up in the sun, then oh well. This thing collides with any of the planets, and oh well. Like, I don't really care, this is just a probe. Although if we have enough fuel, I would like to either burn it or send it home. But I doubt I'll have enough fuel to send it home. So we'll see. Oh, come on. Yeah, we'll have enough fuel. Most definitely. Hopefully. Getting it to 1 million meters. Or no, 1 billion meters. Kilo mega tera? Or no, kilo mega giga. I think it's giga. Gigameter. That sounds funny, but that's actually probably what it's called. I'm not sure though, so don't quote me on that. Yeah, we're not gonna have enough fuel. I'm basically just gonna be burning until we run out of fuel. So we're not getting back home. So I'll basically dump. Actually, I won't dump it. Don't need to. Oh wait, wait a minute. See what is that? Mega. There we go. Oh, of course, a little bit. Good, okay. That's really sensitive. That's really sensitive. Right there. There we go. No. I moved it just for a little bit. Oh, we're not too far off. Not at all. Awesome. So now what science or are we gonna get any science from this? Oh, I'm losing a lot of science. I'm not going to. Let's observe the materials bay. We'd get 55 science if we sent this now. Or 200 if we could have got this back. Oh. Well, I didn't think that through. Could have got 200. I shouldn't dwell on what I could have got with 200. So I am going to delete this and then get as close to the sun as we can. Might as well get there. I'm at basically the periapsis. Oh god, that's right. I'm going to look away for you guys. Don't really need the lights. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to lose a lot of science on this mission. That's fine. Yes, I want to transmit. Awesome. So I do a mystery goo sample. I'll send that as well. Yes. And I will also transmit this. Oh, I need 0 from that. Oh, I'll keep the data just in case. Although I probably will never collect it. So, that's a pretty quick mission. Oh, I'm sorry, I just hit that. Whoops. We reached the sun, which is right there, with a probe. And we got some science, so Space Center. I mean, it's pretty cool that we got that close, and we got some science for it. We needed 90 for this stuff, although we could get this fuel tank, but I kinda don't want to. But there probably is something else. Yeah, there probably is something else on this plane. What I really want is this, but that's 160. We're not gonna get there anywhere. We're not gonna get there anytime soon. Advanced inline stabilizer would be nice. It's all the space plane stuff, which we can't really use right now. Actually, now I think of it, we might not need the other stuff. So actually, you know what? Fine, I will. And that gets us. Ooh. That is actually pretty cool. I won't really need it. I want to get this to get the nuclear fuel because that's really efficient. But this would also be cool as well, this stuff. I think I'm going to end it here, and then in the next episode, I'm going to basically make a Duna lander using this space probe. Essentially, we're going to go to Duna just because, just to see how much science we can get out of it. And then we'll go to the moon again. Maybe in the same episode, maybe not. Who knows? Well, we'll know when it comes down to that. So I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.